Sa Gospel reading today, in Matthew chapter 13 verse 44 to 52, Jesus speaks of a treasure hidden in a field and a pearl of great price. Something so valuable is willing to give everything for it. Sa ating mga kapulisan, this gospel invites us to see the beauty of finding meaning and purpose in service. Every day brings opportunities to protect, to help, to listen, and to make someone feel that they are not alone. Minsan hindi man ito napapansin o naiulat. Every act of service can become a treasure in someone's life. The uniform may be visible, but behind it is a person who also gets tired, faces challenges, and continues to serve. Kaya sa ating mga kapulisan, your service matters, your sacrifices matter, and the good you do, even when unseen, is never meaningless. Kaya sa bawat araw ng iyong paglilingkod, anong treasure ang patuloy ninyong natutuklasan?